On the other side of 50, there's something you should know. The eyesight fades, the hearing fails, and when you sneeze, the bladder goes. The walk becomes a shuffle. The bathroom's now your friend. 'Cause without a single warning, you got to go again. The wrinkles in that mirror just can't be on your face. You think a stranger's in the house 'cause your things get out of place. Arthritis comes to visit. Gravity takes its toll. The list of meds is growing long, just part of getting old. Look on the bright side, you're on the green side of the grass. You're not 6 feet under. This day is not your last. Though there may be senior moments, 'cause the memory's fading fast. At least you're on the green side of the grass. You wake up with the chickens. You're in the bed by 8. You want your senior discount. You worry about your weight. You can't be in a hurry. Your pace is like a snail. The highlight of your morning is when you check the mail. You eat the early bird special 'cause you don't drive at night. And about the hair, it's not gray, it's just gotten light. You're up all hours of the night. You've been told that you snore. And when friends ask how you're doing, you let them know the score. So tomorrow, if you wake up with the pain you just can't bear, lift it up to God above and say this humble prayer. Lord, heal my aching body, help my feeble mind, handle all of my problems, slow the hands of time. Though I look into the mirror and don't like what I see, give me strength, Lord Jesus, to be everything I can be. Look on the bright side, you're on the green side of the grass. You're not 6 feet under. This day is not your last. Though there may